In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more Discord accounts. If you use Discord for different parts of your life, maybe gaming, school, work, or moderating communities, having multiple accounts can really help you stay organized. The good news is that Discord makes it easy to keep those accounts in one place, so you can move between them without logging out each time. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar and username there. Click on your profile. This opens a small menu with options that relate specifically to your account and app settings. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The option names we're using will be the same, even if the icons or positions vary slightly depending on updates. Next, select Switch Accounts, and then choose Manage Accounts. Switch Accounts is the place where you'll see all accounts you've added to this device, and Manage Accounts is where you control them. Think of it like a hub. You add accounts here once, and then switching becomes a quick one-click action later. Now select Add Accounts. Discord will prompt you to log in with another one of your Discord accounts. Enter the login details for that account and continue. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, be ready to enter your code. That's normal and a good sign your account is protected. Once you finish logging in, Discord will save that account to your device so it appears in your Switch Accounts list. If you have more than one extra account, just repeat this Add Accounts process for each one you want to include. After that, you're set. Your additional accounts will show up in the Switch Accounts menu, making it simple to jump between them whenever you need. A quick tip. Give each account a distinct avatar or display name so you can recognize it at a glance and avoid posting from the wrong one in a busy server. A couple of best practices before we wrap up. Keep your login details secure and never share them. If you're on a shared or public computer, be mindful that added accounts can be switched without entering the password again, so consider your privacy. And if you use two-factor authentication, keep your backup codes in a safe place. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add more Discord accounts quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Discord experience.